Yeah, I was already sitting here. Let's talk about the clock. The highest court looked at the map, then looked away. The question of the Voting Rights Act left for another day. They didn't strike it down this week, they just delayed the call. But justice deferred is just a slower way to build the wall. They already took a chisel to the law a while back, weakened the protections, opened up the crack. Now they say not right, and now they push it down the line. But the absence of a ruling is a ruling by design. Delay is just denial, wearing a tailor-made suit, starving out the branches while they hack at the root. They say wait your turn, they say not today, but the system holds the power in the very same way. The gavel doesn't fall, but the silence is loud. El silencio habla, deafening to the crowd. This isn't a new strategy, it's older than the ink. Make us fight for every ballot, push us to the brink. They don't always build a wall, sometimes they move the line. Centuries of keeping power by your very old design. From the grandfather clause to the poll tax fee, to the shadow dockets of the highest court. You see, they carve the map with a scalpel, dilute the block, then check the hour and decide they need to pause the clock. Delay is just denial, wearing a tailor-made suit, starving out the branches while they hack at the root. They say wait your turn, they say not today, but the system holds the power in the very same way. The gavel doesn't fall, but the silence is loud. El silencio habla, deafening to the crowd. They hope we get tired, they hope we forget. They map the districts in the dark, they calculate the debt. A right unenforced is just a suggestion. The hesitation isn't caution, it's the answer to the question. So we stand in the lines and we check the registration, knowing every delay is a calculated calculation. They weaken the act, then they duck the enforcement. Silence from the bench is a heavy endorsement. The strategy is patience, the tactic is time. A procedural maneuver masking a generational crime. They play for time because time is what they own. But we built this country, we know the weight of the stone. The delay is the decision, the pause is the policy. We see the geometry, we already knew.